The WHO has launched a probe into the recent deaths of 66 children in Gambia from acute kidney injuries. According to the WHO on Wednesday, the deaths may be linked to contaminated cough and cold syrups made by Indian drug manufacturer Maiden Pharmaceuticals. A spike in cases of acute kidney injury among kids under 5 years old was detected in late July, resulting in a local investigation which has confirmed unacceptable amounts of die-thy-lene glycol and eth-y-lene glycol, which can be toxic. The agency also issuing a medical product alert for the removal of the company's products from the market, which may have been distributed elsewhere through informal markets, but thus far have only been identified in Gambia.